Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about how you can build an SMS AI agent using Plivo's Vibe Agent Builder. Go to AI Studio and under Vibe Agent, start typing your prompt. Let's say we want to create an SMS AI agent for promotional marketing for your business. It should be capable of sending personalized offers, product recommendations, maybe limited time deals and new arrivals, and any trending product updates tailored to each customer. Let's add some additional details on how to schedule these SMS and the database to fetch information from. Once you hit Enter, the Vibe Builder begins creating the SMS AI agent. It adds all the relevant actions across different nodes like gathering customer information, purchase history, and product information from Shopify. Once your AI agent is ready, you can customize it to speak in your brand tone and voice by adjusting the global prompt. You can update it to say, "Sound like a fashion brand that knows its audience. Keep messages crisp and engaging. Highlight new collections and product drops with clarity and a subtle excitement. Keep all your responses limited to 30 words." And that's it. Your SMS AI agent is now ready to send promotional marketing messages to your customers based on their past purchase history. The responses are tuned to your brand's voice and tone. Now you just need to connect your phone number. Open Settings, select Phone Numbers, and link a number to the AI agent you just created. Your SMS AI agent is now deployed. Let's see this agent in action.